guys. Hey, today I got a quick and easy recipe for chicken pot pie that I want to share with you. This will be great for dinner if you're in a hurry. Doesn't take hardly any time at all. So because we're doing it quick, we're going to use store-bought pie crust. Get it flattened out. Okay. So we need a pie shell or a pie plate. Gonna spray it up good. Alright. Get it in the pie plate. This works out great because I'm actually using what's left from a rotisserie, a store-bought rotisserie chicken. So we trim it up a bit. Now, because I don't want a soggy crust, because this is going to be a wet pie, so I'm going to brush the inside of the shell with egg wash, just a beaten egg with a little water in it. Should keep it from getting soggy. Give it a good brush. There we go. Now, we'll set this aside and we'll make our filling. You'll see how easy this is. We have a bowl. We have a can of cream of chicken soup. Now, we're going to add a bag of mixed veggies. I'm using frozen. You can use canned. I just like frozen better. And our leftover chicken. Just put in what you like. I like a lot of chicken, so. That works. We're gonna mix it all up. It's looking pretty good. Now, I'm going to put it in our pie shell. Get it all distributed kind of nice and even. This is a good quick recipe when you don't have, maybe you get home late from school, picking up the kids or from shopping, and you need something quick and good. This is a good one. So now we need a can of crescent rolls. There's no way I'm going to be able to open this thing up. So what I'm going to do is roll it up. I'm going to add a little pepper. Maybe a little garlic powder. A little onion powder. I've got some butter here. I'm gonna put some around the edge. Put our dough on. I'm gonna crimp it around with a fork to make sure that I have a good seal. Now if you run into problems like me with those crescent rolls, just go ahead and roll it like I did. Okay, last thing we want to do is give it a coat of butter, melted butter, just like that. I'm going to put a vent hole in it. like that. And we're going to cover it with aluminum foil. You want to put this in a preheated 350-degree oven, bake it for 45 minutes. You're going to want to put it on a cookie sheet in case you get spillage. So we'll go ahead and do that. When it comes out of the oven, I'll give you a look. But there we have it, guys. My chicken pot pie is done. It's out of the oven. I sliced myself up a piece. Looks great. And I like Frank's on my chicken pot pie. Anyways, it's quick, it's easy, tastes great. It's a good way to use up rotisserie chicken if you have it left over. 3 ingredients: can of cream of chicken soup, a bag of frozen mixed vegetables. You can use canned, I like frozen better. A single pie crust, and crescent rolls for the top. If you can get them unfolded and put them around the plate like that, great. If not, you can do what I did, just roll it out. Anyways, I had to, at the end of 45 minutes, I took the aluminum foil off, and because I used frozen vegetables, I had to give it about 15 minutes extra in the oven to brown it up good. So you may have to do that unless you use can. You probably can get away with just the 45 minutes. But that's it. That's a quick and simple chicken pot pie for the family. And it's a good one if you're, in a hurry and you don't have a lot of time to get dinner on the table. Anyways, I hope you like this recipe. I hope you go to my channel and see what other recipes are on there that you might like. Please like and share my channel, and I'll see you next time.